Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Hayday not launching. If Hayday won't open, gets stuck on the loading screen or crashes immediately after launch, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. First, you need to check your internet connection. You can simply go to your notifications bar in the top right and simply toggle off and toggle on to your Wi-Fi again. And you can also switch between your Wi-Fi or your mobile data as well. See if the game loads properly, or you can simply restart your device. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches that may be preventing the game from launching. Or you can also update the Hayday app. You can open to your app store. Here you can simply open to your Hayday, and here you need to check for any available Hayday updates. Running an outdated version can cause launch issues, and that is it. This is how you can fix your Hayday not launching. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.